What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are better watching this video. Today we will be making soya manchuria, and before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications while you're at it. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, when we are making the soya manchuria, we have to take mill makers and we have to heat it up with water. So after when it gets heated, you have to drain it. So now, as we make sure that the water is out of the mill makers, we have to squeeze them gently so that the excess water comes out of it. Now as the mill maker pieces are completely drained, we are going to be adding chili powder. And salt. You can add these two ingredients according to your taste. Also, I will be adding dhania powder. Next, you should add 2 spoons of maida. Next, we will be adding tomato sauce. We have to mix all these ingredients with the mill maker. So now as we mixed all the ingredients with the mill makers, now I'm heating up some oil. We have to deep fry these. Both sides are golden brown. After both of the sides become golden brown, you have to shift them to a particular plate. So now the pieces have become golden brown just like this. After they become golden brown, set them aside for a couple of minutes. Now let's go to the next process, which we will be needing onions chopped like this, garlic, and finely chopped chili peppers. So now we are going to be adding chili peppers. Next we will be adding the garlic. And next, last but not least, we will be adding the onions. Now you have to fry these ingredients until they become golden brown. We should make sure that the onions, chilies and garlic are getting sorted in the mixture. Now in this we are going to be adding the tomato sauce. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now we have to mix everything together. So after sorting everything just like this, now we will be adding water and salt. Now in this we are going to be adding a little bit of water. So you will get this sauce type of consistency. After that you are going to be adding cornstarch water. So it is going to be like this. You have to add it into the mixture. After adding it mix it well. So after you are going to be getting this type of consistency with the sauce. And after this, we fried some meal maker pieces earlier. We deep fried them. We are going to be adding this in this. After mixing them well, you will get a substance like this. Now you have to shift this to your serving plate. So guys, our delicious and tasty soya manchuria is ready. As you can see, it looks very delicious and I hope everyone will try it.